Welcome to the review of NextDrive with Zenith. So I will keep this review video short and brief, and I will explain each and everything what this NextDrive offers you in comparison to its competitors, and I will be sharing the how the software works, the demonstration, and then I will be sharing a few bonuses with you which you will get if you buy the product via the link which is mentioned below. So let's get started. NextDrive is a cloud-based storage that provides you to store, backup, share, and host unlimited files in the cloud at an insanely one-time price. Okay, so there are other cloud storages which are on monthly cost. They are not at one-time cost, so you have to pay every month, such as Dropbox, iCloud, Google Drive, OneDrive. Okay, so let's get started. These are the key features: unlimited cloud storage for a low one-time fee. Okay, there is this thing they have shared their comparison. Let me explain to you. Rest of the sales page is quite detailed and easy to understand, but you can understand this in this comparison table. Let me show you. It's somewhere here. Just stick with me. Yes, it's here. Okay, so let me just do this. Oh, where did it go? Oh god, I lost it. Okay, it's here. Okay, so these are the features: online storage, number of files, and why? Okay, now these are the features and the comparison to Google Cloud, Dropbox, iCloud, and then NextDrive. So you can see here online storage is 1000 GB for Google Cloud, 2 TB for Dropbox, iCloud 2 TB. But NextDrive is offering you unlimited storage, number of files, unlimited. Okay, so there is no change for file preview, link preview. Okay, file encryption. So the Dropbox and iCloud, what they are not providing you is file encryption, which is, I think, important. Encryption is really important to secure your data, and NextDrive is offering you that here. Okay, so the photos and videos backup. Okay, now send via email option. So you can, nobody offers you send via email option, but NextDrive does. So you can share your files via email. So background uploading, yes. Okay, now the pricing per month, you will have to pay with Google Cloud $9.99 per month, $11.99, and it's a one-time fee that is $27 for the NextDrive, and it doesn't matter. You will have to pay the $27, not for a month, not for a year, not for 10 years. It will be yours once you pay this price. So this storage is coming with one-time price. Okay. So now this is clear. Let me take you here. Okay, the NextDrive. Okay, that's the dashboard. As you can see here, you will get your notifications here, and you can upload, or you can create a folder here, fill in the name, either folder privacy, you want to share it with your users or with public, or you want to keep it private. Okay, then is there any parent folder you want to put it into, or if you want to put a password protection on it, or you want to watermark image previews, or allow downloading when it is shared. It's up to you, yes or no. Okay, then you add a folder. Then here's the option file upload, and then the remote URL. Okay, so here they say the download files directly from other sites into your account. Note, if the files are on another file download site or password protected, this may not work. So you can put 5 URLs for one time, and separate each URL on its own line. Okay, so in different lines put 5 URLs and it will download it for you. Okay, so that's it. Okay, then you can view your files here. You can change the view to either list or the block view. Okay, here you can get the link and you can share it, and file name, ascending order, descending order, like that, and then pages. Okay, so here you can see 343 of how many your storage is used of unlimited. So here's the trash can, and you can definitely recover your files if you delete them, unless you empty them. Okay, so all your files will be displayed here. Your recent files will be on this section, and shared with me, anything which will be shared with you, any folder, so that will be here. Okay, that's it for this software. Now let's get to the bonuses. Price, yes, first let me take, this is my bonus page. Okay, and let me share some prices and upsells of this product. So the front end of NextDrive will be of $27. You will get unlimited cloud storage at low time. I have discussed all these. You can upload images, you can send them via email, drag and drop, shareable links to share anywhere you want, and so much more. And then there is OTO1 of NextDrive Pro. Upsell is $37 and the downsell is for $27. Remove all limits from your NextDrive account. 100% protection of data with Iron-Clad data protection and advanced security. Okay, upload multiple files at the same time. Download not only files but an entire folder. Okay, so download not only files but an entire folder, a zip file, and security layers, password protected. Enable watermarking on preview files. Detailed file statistics with daily, weekly, and monthly downloads, and 24/7 premium support. Okay, so the commercial license to magnetize your profits. Next is OTO2 Next Mail Email Autoresponder with built-in SMTP. Upsell is for $47, downsell is $37. Send unlimited emails, import unlimited email lists. Built-in SMTP for unlimited email sending, import without hassles of verification, or double opt-in. OTO3 Next Web, Next Gen Website Builder. Okay, so choose from 1,000 plus done for you website templates. Live editing, connect your own domain to publish your sites. No hosting requires, means no monthly cost. Export your site to upload your own hosting, and drag and drop editor. Okay, so the OTO4 is Next Voice Text to Speech software. Upsell is for $47, downsell is $37. Generate human-like natural voices from your text. Multilingual, supports 64 languages, include 400 plus different voices. OTO5 NextDrive resellers. Okay, so this reseller license allows it's here. The NextDrive reseller rights are for $197 at the downsell, and the upsell is $297. So the reseller license allows one to sell NextDrive as their own product and keep 100% of the profits. Okay, so this product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus, let me tell you another use of this cloud storage. As you might know about the NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which are related to Ethereum, you can, all those NFT which you sell to people, you need them to store on a special cloud where you can share your file with the buyers. So for that purpose, if you want more detail on that, I will drop down the link in the description so that you can check it out, how to make money with NFTs, and that's completely free, by the way, and how this cloud will help you more to store your NFTs. Okay, so now the bonus one which you will be getting, well, your 427 0.95. Okay, so the first bonus is bang profit. So you will be getting 13 done for you campaigns, and you can get started right away and make money from those campaigns. So that won't require much effort. Okay, now comes the bonus 2, which is blogging and traffic premiere. So it's a 5-day premiere course, so in which you will learn about the blogging and the traffic, how you can get traffic towards your blog. And then bonus 344, easy passive paydays. So how you can set up yourself easy passive income methods, and you can earn passive income with easy methods. Okay, so the bonus 4 is killer blogging conversion tips. So how you can convert, write the blogs and convert them so that people, the leads you will be getting onto your blogs will convert. So these are the conversion tips for your blog. Okay, so that's it. And remember that this bonus page will expire on 17th of September. So grab the NextDrive before this bonus page expires. And if you like the content I create, then subscribe to my channel and leave down a comment so that I know and I create more of these review videos. Thank you for watching.